if you guys have ever used a grill press, you'll know exactly what I have here. But let me show you how nice this is. Very premium, by the way. And let's just kind of like look over the box. It's 18/8 stainless steel. It's dishwasher safe. Show you how this thing's going to mount up. Pretty simple. It comes in this bag right here. You're going to take this little knob, this little thumb screw knob out right there. That just mounts like that. This thing can be put together. And you see how fast I put it together? 2 seconds right there. And what this is, I've already used this, and what you do, you just put it down on a hamburger, let it smash down. You can set it down like that, and it puts these grill marks across the top, and it just has a better look to it. And it helps the fat drain out a little better on the meat when you're like pushing a hamburger. That's what I got it mostly for. You can use it for steak or something like that. Maybe even like sausage if you want to put sausage on there. But what I got it for was to use on hamburgers because I like my hamburgers. I just set that on there and let it cook, then take it off. I'll put it on each one, and then it puts the grill marks. Flip it over, put the grill marks on the other side. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the stainless steel grill press. Very impressive. See you all in the next video.